Hi, my dear students. Today I am going to see certain topics in tractors and engine systems in Unit 2. So, myself, Krishnavini, as Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering from RCET. So, this is being devoted. Already we have seen the first topic, valve timing, ramming and everything else. Now we will be seeing the air cleaner, the exhaust silencer like this. Okay. So the air cleaner means the majority of air cleaners. What is the purpose? The name itself implies we do have in our vacuum cleaners and everything else, isn't it? So what it is actually? So it is used to design to remove the dust and allergens from the air. Okay. The mechanical air cleaners will use the filters to trap and remove the particles from the air, which is drawn in by appliance. Next one is functions. So filters are used to remove the foreign particles like dirt, dust and grit, or other filters are used to removing the dust and particles out of the air. So it may also remove odors and gaseous pollutants. The filter will be acting as a silencer for the calibration system. Next what you have is the exhaust system. Okay. See, the exhaust system means what it will be. You will have to collect the exhaust gases from the engine and you will have to expel them out. So you will have an exhaust valve, you will have the exhaust port, exhaust manifold, turbocharger, and also you will have a muffler. Okay. The exhaust manifold means actually this exhaust system is playing a major role. So when you have to design the exhaust system for this, you will have to concern that you have to take utmost effort to ensure that it's operating efficiently. Okay. So exhaust manifold means it's actually a passage for the providing a passage for the outlet of exhaust gases, and it will be normally made of cast iron. Okay, so this is used for design avoiding overlapping of exhaust strokes, everything else. Next is actually a muffler. So muffler is, or otherwise we call it as a silencer. So the purpose of muffler is for reducing the noise of the exhaust gases. So how we are going to do is we can it's by achieved by reducing the pressure of the used gases by slow expansion and also the cooling. Okay. So what happens actually, there should be muffler shouldn't cause any appreciable restriction. It will not cause any appreciable restriction to the flow of oil. Okay. If it is causing means there will be increase in the back pressure. So it will have a number of chambers through which the gas will flow, and the gas is allowed to expand from the first passage into the much larger second one and still larger third one. Okay, and the last will be connected to the outlet. Okay, so this is these two, there will be different types of silencers which will be provided in the system. So this is regarding the muffler system. Next we are going to the important another part is cooling system. So how you can call is of cooling system is actually you call it as this is very fuel is burnt inside this, isn't it? So if you don't have a proper cooling system, then you have to the system which controls the temperature. Why is this necessary? The temperature of gases will be 1500 to 3000 or 2000 sometimes. Okay. So what happens, the temperatures and the cylinders may not be able to retain this high temperature for a longer period. So they may be melting, etc. So there will be cracks or anything else. So avoid this, we need a cooling system. Okay. So normally cast irons is etc. But no, 30% of cooling is used to provide with cooling systems etc. So the purpose is to maintain the optimum temperature of engine for efficient operation. And unwanted heat, okay, it is not required for the operation, you can dissipate it to maintain the lubricating property of oil. So you have to consider the flash point of the lubricating oil, everything else, isn't it? So we have to ensure that the lubricating oil is working efficiently. Okay, there are two types, namely air cooling and water cooling. Air cooled engines in which cylinders are not. Okay, water cooling is called as water cooled engines. The liquid is circulated to absorb the heat from the cylinder walls, etc. Thank you.